Hey everyone, we are back with another short and simple how-to tutorial to save you guys time, effort and money on those everyday jobs. So this week I got a kind notification from my car that it was time to change the battery in my key fob. And now that I've learned how to do it, I'm going to share it with you. As you can see, this is for a VW key fob. I have a 2017 Passat, but you should find this key fob on all VW models of around the same age. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing to do is to remove the key blade by pulling back the tab and sliding it out. The battery obviously sits inside the casing, and we're going to open it up at this split line here. A small flat-headed screwdriver will work best. Apply a little bit of force with a slight twist and it should pop open. I find sliding the screwdriver across to the far side with another little twist is the best technique for getting it off completely. Now I like to point out areas in my videos where you can go wrong, and the only one here is if you didn't pick the correct replacement battery. As you can see, we need a CR2032 3-volt battery. This one is Panasonic, but there are other brands, it doesn't matter. So let's get our screwdriver again and prise out the battery. Oh Christ, there it goes, pings out. And as if by magic, I have the replacement ready. £3.99 from Amazon for 6, which I thought was very reasonable. Obviously just double check they're the right ones. CR2032, 3 volts, they'll do the job. Let's tear one off and open it up. Slide it in, nose first, and it should sit nice and snug in the holder. Then it's just a case of reattaching the case, which is done by pushing it firmly back on. Let's slide back in the key blade and we're all done. A nice check is to press any of the buttons and look out for that small red light appearing. There we go, all working. Thanks as always, please hit that like button for me if you would, and I'll see you next time.